welcome. And previous day I was at an old people's home where I was visiting my German mom. She is 93 and she is now living in people's home, old people's home. So that's how it was. And now today we are concentrating. I want to be sewing an outfit, full outfit, and sewing it, finish it, and style it, and take some photos. So it's a big job, I know, but I am determined to do it. So hi and welcome to my 7th Vlogmas. So I'm making an outfit. I decided to cut it at this time of the night. So I'm using this pants which fits me. I just need this. That's it. I need the size of this back and front, and that's it. The rest is something else because this pants is just another style. So that's what I needed. So I'm just going to cut this part so that I can have the back and the front. So I'm doing this, as you can see, on this bed because I just didn't want to go all the way downstairs because I am just not in. So that's the front pattern now. And we're going to make it slightly so that is it. That's the so this is the back because I'm sewing a really. So that's the back, and now we're going to the front. And as well as the other part was more wide, I have to reduce it. And now when we do it like this, it's now we have our pants just in the middle. It's the sideways are not they're just hold, not cut, and I'm going to join this. So that's how the pant is supposed to be. Now I have to sew the front part, and then it's looking, I hope it will look good because I just wanted a really wide pants. So now I'm going to be cutting the jacket, or the top, you can call it. So where's my scissors? So this is the pattern I'm using. back. I'm going to put it aside. Now cut it. As you know, I'm like wasting my fabric. Today I'm going to finish sewing this outfit. I did cut it yesterday last night, last night, because I wanted to sew it a little bit, because also I have an appointment today, but I'm not sure I'll be finishing this morning, so I will continue this afternoon. I will sew until where I can. So we're going to, before we start, so I just sewed the jacket together, and now I need to, later on I need to finish just the front, to finish the neckline, and the I'm not going to put the lining, I don't think so, but I need to finish some stuff. I sewed the pants as well. The pants is sewn, has really wide. I am so happy, I can't wait to finish the whole. So this is how you feel after so long day of work. I worked on this the whole day, and I'm so finished with the whole. But now still I don't let it just like that. I have to sew my top, so I'm going to get to work right now. Yeah. Oh. I love my job. Don't get me wrong. I love what I do. So yeah. So this is the end of the video. The outfit is done and I'm so tired. Next time I will come up with a photo shooting. See you. Bye bye.